Good afternoon, Professor Walker. We would like to ask you some questions about the project. Can you summarize what the legacy code is currently doing?
Well, the current code allows students to sign up and to form teams and then to select projects from an existing list, rating either them as one they're interested in or one they're not interested in or they're neutral on. And then the software will run an algorithm to assign projects to teams based on those requests. And then there's a little bit in the way of administrative function. Those are primarily the goal of this system was for team formation and project assignment.
Thank you, Professor Walker. What are some existing features that you want to have us modified?
So one thing we like to do is to be able to handle the archiving of projects. One of the challenges with legacy project is from semester to semester to collect all the data from the previous teams to hand off to a new team. Today that's a manual process of me hunting down things in prior emails and reports. Another thing would be to allow the customer to provide an evaluation of the project and to be able to support peer evaluation on every iteration of the project.
Thank you, Professor. Can you tell us about some new features that you want us to add to it?
Well, so another one I didn't mention is that right now the teams can just say, I either like these are the 5 projects I like and the 5 I don't like, but they don't actually rank them. But given our experience, I think it's fine to have the teams actually rank their projects, so that way we can try to give a team their highest ranked project. So it's an even better match to what they want. And the be able to essentially make the customer a component of the team so that for them to be able to provide their evaluation, and also it tracks that information in the project when we're doing a legacy project. Often it's the same customer, but sometimes it's a new person in an existing organization, so they can at least see who the prior customer contact was.
Thank you, Professor. How do you want us to inculcate the customer element to the existing code base?
So I think what we want to do is to primarily have the customers as, they become an element of the team, that the administrator can set who the customer is for that team, or it's part of the project, and so when the project is assigned to the team, the customer essentially is assigned to the team as well. Lower priority is if we have an element where customers can create their own account and then submit project ideas, but our past experience is there needs to be a lot of interaction with the customer to shape those project ideas before we can really put them on a list for the students to look at. One of the other reasons I want to have the legacy material in the system is that way when students are looking at projects to select them, they can see the legacy material right there, so they're not feeling like they're buying a pig in a poke, as would be the English expression, like sort of like taking on a project of unknown quality, etc., in terms of what needs to be done.
Thank you, Professor. That would be all.
Thank you.
Thank you.